Josiah, what's up, man? Yeah? How you feeling? What happened? I don't know, man. Somebody called us and told us you were here. Huh? When are they gonna take your teeth out? I don't know. Maybe they'll take it out back a little while ago when they took them out. What's that in your mouth? Why you got the gauze in your mouth? Huh?
Do you know who I am?
You don't know who that is?
You don't know me? Huh?
Hey, Auntie Siobhan.
You think I'm Auntie Siobhan? Oh.
All right, we're gonna let you get some sleep there, Chief.
Are you okay? Do you know who Ciela and Marlon are? You know who they are? Your brothers? No, they're not your brothers. They're your cousins. So who do you think I
Lord.
am?
I'm a bad parent for taking this video, but
So who do you think I am?
it's still funny.
I'm not Auntie Siobhan. I'm your sister.
Jasmine?
Yeah, that's me. Hey, Josiah.
Hey.